Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I received this little Gerber dime multi-tool in the mail. I'm not sure who it's from, so I'm not going to put their information. But whoever it was, thank you. It's a real small multi-tool. It's about let's see, including the bottle opener, it's about 2 3/4 of an inch. It's a little less than an inch width, and thickness it's about half an inch. So the outside features is it has a bottle opener. What is it? What? Okay, so I'm not sure what this is. It's coming out. I hope it's supposed to come out. Really hard to come out though. Oh wow, it's actually. Oh, that's awesome. That's amazing. Alright, look guys, it's a little mini pair of tweezers. A small pair of tweezers. These are like 1.5 inches. That's actually pretty cool that they actually have a pair of tweezers inside. That's a pretty useful tool right there. Alright, in the outside, it has, I'm not sure what this is. It's a sharp point. If you guys know, leave a comment down in the comment section. And if you know what this is, I'm not too sure what it is. Let's see what else. This is a knife, obviously. Let's see if it's any sharp. Just get a piece of paper. Normal copy paper right here. And tear a piece off. So, wow, it's actually really sharp. Alright, it's a decent blade. I doubt it's hair shaving. Yeah, no, it does not shave hair that well. It still does it. There's a little bit of hairs, but it doesn't shave too much. Alright, so that's a knife. Pretty nice blade on there. But then this is a file. Yeah, this is a file. And it has some type of flathead on top. Another flathead. They look to be like there's some type of scissors. Yeah, there's some scissors. Let's see if they cut. Alright, they actually feel like a normal pair of scissors. They're just small. Let's see if they actually cut paracord. Well, it's having some trouble. There you go. Alright, so I cut paracord. So, nice pair of scissors. So, that's pretty much it on the outside. Let's actually get to the actual pliers. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's spring loaded. Oh, wow, it's pretty cool. Wasn't expecting that. So, once the pliers are actually opened, it's about, let's see, it's about 4 inches, 4 1/4 of an inch, not counting the bottle opener. With the bottle opener, it's about 4.5 inches. Pretty cool. I'll see if I could find a link. I'll leave a link if I could actually find this product in Amazon. And so that's pretty much it. It has this keychain hole that you could add on your keychain. I will be using this in a fishing kit that I'm gonna make. So this is pretty nice little multi-tool for that. So yeah, guys, I'll leave a link down below to this if I could find one. And so yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.